In this video, you'll learn how to find old chats in Microsoft Teams by using the search and chat history features effectively. This is useful if you need to locate an important conversation, find a specific message, or review previous discussions. Knowing how to use Teams search properly can save time and help you work more efficiently. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Sign in using your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so your chat history loads smoothly. Once you're inside Microsoft Teams, look at the top of the screen and locate the search bar. This is the main tool you will use to find past messages and conversations. Click on the search bar and type a keyword related to what you're looking for. This could be a project name, a topic that was discussed, or even the name of the person you were chatting with. You don't need to remember the exact message. Teams search is flexible and works with partial details. As you type, Microsoft Teams will begin showing suggestions and results in real time. Take a moment to review these results, as the conversation you're looking for may appear immediately. If you don't see what you need right away, try adjusting your search terms. Different wording, spelling, or related keywords can produce better results. Small changes in how you phrase your search can make a big difference. Once you find the correct message or chat, click on it to open the conversation. You'll be able to view the full discussion, review previous messages, and access any important information shared in that chat. Keeping your conversations clear and organized can make future searches even easier. By using the search bar effectively, you can quickly navigate through your chat history and stay on top of your work and communications. And that's how you can easily find old chats in Microsoft Teams. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.